Hello. 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 Anyone who joined on the live session, so kindly update. My voice is clear. Anyone who can message here. This is Bala here. Yeah. Very good evening to you all. So myself Bala. So I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. This session, which I created, a lot of questions arising about that intraday scanner which you are sending on Telegram. So that is the reason I was making this step to clear your doubt. So that the scanner which I provided with the free of cost. So and also I am sending you the alert even free. So if you are giving you or if you are using the scanner, you are going to make the scanner and you need to be make the alert, and then you will be getting on the charting. But using some other paid software, we are sending that real-time alert on Telegram. I hope some of them are using that one. But how to use it without knowing how to use that scanner, it may not be possible to take a trade, right? So, but many of the videos I have shared about how to use that. But even I got some doubts what is whether it is intraday strategy or it is a positional strategy kind of thing. So what the alert which I'm sharing you on a Telegram channel, it is purely for intraday. I'm not sharing you any for a positional kind of trade. It is purely for an intraday trade. So if you are an intraday trader, because I am doing a positional trade, I'm not doing intraday, but most of the people who are asking to take a trade in intraday. So, but I am not interested to do my intraday trades. I have a lot of work doing on the live market hours. Even I was taking the classes, and that is the reason I have given you some alerts. So that was filtered by the charting scanner, and it will be updated on that Telegram channel on the real time. So how to use the scanner? I made many videos, but most of them are asking you the same questions about how to use. So this may be the useful video for that scanner. You may be using perfectly about the scanner. So first of all, the scanner is based on the some conditions and criteria so which we have designed. So what are a lot of conditions, a lot of scanners also there available. But I back tested some scanners which is having good accuracy. So that kind of, and my stop loss should be very small if I am making an intraday trade. Right. So that is my main idea. So such a kind of scanners and screeners which I am providing you, right, with the free of cost. So now I think some other joined here. So if you have any other question about the scanner, can you please ask me on the chat box? If you have any questions, what doubt you have about the scanner? So what the scanner we are using for that? So we send a alert on this kind of alerts. We are sending this kind of alerts on Telegram. So intraday call option breakout trade at 1 p.m. AU bank. The signal was generated by 1 p.m. in Astral, Tata Chemical, Tata Communication, and 1:15 p.m. So Adani Enterprise. So I'm asking you to ask the doubt on this one, but you are asking you why you are taken a Tata Chem or how you taken a Tata Chem. If I want to answer you, I was taken a Tata Chem based on my option strategy. It is based on my option strategy. I was took the position. It is my advanced option strategy which I am using. There I have 5 different strategies. Okay, so that I have 5 different strategies where I am teaching you that strategy also. Okay. what required code? So this one is giving you the alert. So whenever that I am using purely see, I am paying for that scanners and screeners. Sorry, not scanners and screener. If I am sending you to a real-time alert on Telegram, for that I am paying for a software, right? Most of the people are asking about RSI breakout scanner, so that I provided, and also the same RSI scanner which I provided on my Telegram channel. Already provided on my Telegram channel. So even if you are not interested to search the scanner, how you are going to use the scanner, right? So here I was updated lot of my scanners on this Telegram channel. So let I show you how you can see. You going to the channel, and so you can search it from your side, and if you see something icon is there, when you search it, so you will be getting all the scanners. I already updated even what are the patterns, the doji pattern or the other pattern also. 2 days back I have updated that scanner link. So instead of searching for all the scanner at every time, so I given you one link, so there you can get it over all the scanners. On the link I have mentioned about the candlestick scanners. Let I show you that. So even I can this much I can do it. Yes, I have already updated all the scanners on my Telegram channel. Let me show you that. Then you can search it and you can get it out, right? So every time you are asking, I don't know where I find out that one, or where I mentioned that one, I didn't get it. But you can search it from that Telegram channel. You may be getting that scanners and screeners. So if I go for first of this my videos, every time I make a scanner, that I was updating my Telegram channel. So most of the scanners which I have updated. So it's a recent one. I think 2 days, 3 days back I have updated, and I have pinned that scanner also. Right, in this Telegram channel you will be getting all the scanners which I mentioned here. Okay, I don't know how to get it. Yeah, here can you see there is a 1026 photos, 3 files, 106 shared links. So if you see that intraday call option breakout trade code and hanging man reversal, and then stock above Bollinger Band, RSI daily scanner, RSI buy daily, intraday bearish stock, intraday bullish stock, intraday. So you can check it out. This much of work you can do. So because the scanner which I created and I have shared on my Telegram channel, so you can search what you want exactly. So separating line bullish candlesticks pattern, bearish candlesticks pattern. So what all the scanners, most of the scanners on the ADX breakout 16 minutes, ADX intraday breakout, so you can search it there. Okay. So every scanner which I have updated, so 106 shared link is there. Okay. So now I am going to make how to use that. Let's say, sir, I have done a lot of scanners and screeners. Maybe it is not usable to all of them. Okay, some of the scanners may be useful to someone. So that is my logic. That's why I updated a lot of scanners. Someone asking you, sir, you are updating a lot of scanners. But I did some back test and I seen something good. So this is what some good one. So that is why I'm providing. Previously, the RSI based strategy. Yeah, one best option strategy you can select from any of them. Right, any of the strategy which is suitable to you. I'm not discussing about this strategy will suitable you, or I'm not telling you to you can go for this strategy or that strategy. So if you want to find out any strategies, you are going to you're going to work more. Even if you want to search any scanner, you want to create, you need to do lot of work. Is that right? You need to do a lot of work. 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 You need to do a lot of work You need to go and study about what the pattern it is and how to create the scanners and how to convert that scanners into the link. So everything you need to learn about. So but the session which I am going to make this today's scenario is for my intraday scanner, so which is based on RSI, purely RSI. So what I am using that in RSI basis. So what condition I have used in that. So whenever that RSI is breaking or it is above 60 level, let I open the RSI. So RSI, this is the RSI scanner on trading view. So I don't want SMA. So I'm going to remove. Think it is available. So let's remove that RSI one. That RSI with along with the moving average. So I'm going to focus only the RSI. So how many of them known about RSI? There is a two type of thing is there in based on RSI. When the RSI which is trading above 70 or a 60, right? When RSI is trading above 60, someone says 60, someone says it is overbought, right? And someone says RSI below 30, it's oversold. Right? So RSI 60, someone says overbought, and RSI below 30, it is oversold. So we are not doing analysis, or we are not doing whether if the RSI is crossed above 60, whether it is a bullish or bearish. There is a confusion. Someone I seen a lot of videos. Someone says RSI crossed above 60, there is a bearish signal. That means overbought. So the market may be reversed. And RSI is above 60, there is a new trend beginning. Someone says when the RSI crossed above 60, there is a new trend beginning. Is that right? So which one I am going to take it? Sometimes RSI crossed 60. It's a bullish signal. But here it is bearish signal. Here it is a bullish signal. Here it is a bearish signal. So which one I am going to focus? So let anyone who when RSI is 60, when RSI is 60, how many of them bearish? RSI crossed above 60, how many of them bearish? Or RSI is crossing above 60, how many of them bullish? Only one is a bearish. Anyone who are bullish about whenever the RSI crossed above 60? One is bullish and one is bearish. 50-50 chance. Then how I can do the trade? There is a chances of 50-50. Only two guys are messaging here or replying here, bearish and bullish. So then how I can do that? Do the trade. So someone is bullish. Another bullish. Bullish. No idea. So now most of them are bullish. So let me try it out. Okay, good. So let me try it out. So you are talking about bullish. So this is what RSI here. We are going to RSI 70. We are going to make RSI 60 or 60 bullish, 40 bearish. Okay, good. So RSI 60 you are talking about bullish and RSI 70 you are talking about bearish, right? So let me mark at 60 to 40. Not 40, it's 30. Okay. So RSI, whenever it is moving above 60, you say bullish, right? When the RSI is going down, that is below 30, you are saying a bearish. So this is what a 15-minute time. I will take a daily. So here RSI above there, it's above 60 and slightly market moves and a very big fall. RSI is below 30. Here this point, we are we are expecting downtrend, correct? So RSI below 30 here, we are expecting downtrend, but market is going against to me, and I am expecting RSI bullish here, but market goes down. Yeah, here the red color mark is the 60 above. So here it is RSI is above 60 at this point, right? RSI 60 above. So there is a conditions where we are going to find out whether the trade may be going bullish or going bearish. So both the way is possible, right? If you are using RSI scanner. But one thing, so how to use the RSI? So let me try to tell you. So it's both the way possible. Whether if it is trading above RSI, it's maybe a overbought, or it may be the new trend beginning. But how we can do with the RSI when the previous RSI must be below 30. Okay, so I am giving you such a great idea to make RSI 60 40 whatever. I'm using RSI 60 and 30. This is the two key level in RSI. Okay, when the RSI is crossed above 60, I took as a bullish signal. I took as a bullish signal. But there is a condition. The condition is the previous RSI must below 30. Whenever it crossed above 60, the previous RSI must be touches or goes below the 30 level, and then it is bounces back to 60. There is a perfect bullish signal. Same like that, the RSI which is trading over and above 60, and first time whenever it crossed below 30, there is a sell signal. There is a sell signal. So here already it is moves RSI above 60. Again next time. Again next time. Whenever the first time the RSI which is crossed above 60, there is a bullish, but it should be previously bearish. So can you see that this is a Nifty of daily chart, Bank Nifty? Anyone can tell where I get a first chances for the buy opportunity based on the RSI? If you don't know, can you see? This is the first time when RSI crosses above 60. So here I'm thinking that bullish, because previously RSI where it is touches below and it is bounced back. It is touches. It is below and then it is bounced back to the 70, 60. There is a perfect bullish signal. So you are seeing the result. And this is not a good and this is not a good. After that we can here it is not crossed below. So these are the retracements. These signals are retracement. We need to check the RSI crossed 60, but it should be coming below 30. So here the RSI was 30. So it may be the great sell signal at this point. And again, this is a buy signal. Only three signal which I am using RSI 60 and 30 strategy. So this is the main key where while if you are using the RSI factor. So whenever any instrument you can check it out, no problem at all. Any time frame also you can check it out. So this will work. Right. This way if you are using means, so I am using that way. I'm not suggesting you to use that way. I'm using that way while using RSI. That gives me such a great idea to find out there is a reversal in the trend. The first time RSI crossed below this level here at this point. So almost 36,000. After that it coming down to 33,000, 34,000. Again recently the RSI crossed at this point. Somewhere around 36,800. Now it is 38,400, almost 1,500 point it is above. Even any time frame if you are going to focus RSI, whether it is trading above the level or below the level. So here can you able to see when the RSI crossed, it is working good. Again RSI crossed above 70 below, 60 below. There is a sell also working. Again this time RSI crossed above. There is a work. Again this time it may be work, but sometimes it may be fail. So we don't know whether the RSI is a first time or a second time it reaching that level. So if this using the 5-minute chart, when did you get the Bank Nifty buy signal using the RSI method? This is the first time the Bank Nifty which is crossed above 760, which is trading below 30 year. This is the first. So if you want to take RSI based strategy, so this is what the perfect trade entry point for a buy. And till now the market is never reaches your, what we say, the 30 below. So still it continues the bullish. And here is the bearish. It may be fails. It may be triggers your stop loss, or it reversed within a short period of time. So RSI, that way I am using. This is the way I am using RSI. Whenever it crossed below, crossed above 60, it must be, previously it must be below 30. So that should be the new buy signal based on the RSI scanner, which I am following. The same kind of thing which I am using for RSI. This time what I used in RSI on the scanner, what condition I used. So daily RSI must be greater than 60, and weekly RSI must be greater than 60, and 15 minutes RSI 60, and 1 hour RSI that is also be 60. So here I am finding out all the RSI must be trading above 60. This is the level where I am mentioned in that scanner, right? So some stocks may be it first time. So some stock may be it a first time. That may be a new bullish signal. Or if the stock may be retraced at the level, that may be a reversal signal or overbought. You got the conditions? So if I get a scanner which on 15 minutes, because I am using the lowest time frame is 15 minutes and the highest time frame is weekly. On the 15 minutes time frame, when RSI is above 60, I am not here mentioned crossed above, I mentioned only above. So whenever any stocks having all the condition which satisfies, that stock will be available on the scanner. If you are using the crossing above, that may not be available. Is that right? So this is the scanner which, so when we get the alert on the system, so there is a chances of bullish as well as bearish, or bearish. So both are possible. So what we can do, we can try with the breakout kind of trade. So how we can do with the breakout kind of trade, and what the logic we are going to use for that breakout kind of trade. So because it may be a first time or it may be a second time, we don't know, but the stock which is trading over and above all the time frame, 4 different time frame, 15 minutes, hourly, daily, weekly, it is trading above number 60 of RSI. So that may be giving you such a bullish stock, or maybe the bearish stock, or maybe the reversal at that highest level also. That is the conditions where we have mentioned on our scanner. So after using the scanner, we are getting the alert, and we are sharing that alert on our Telegram channel. So today at 9:45 we got first stock of AB Capital, Aditya Birla Capital. So let me try it out. Aditya Birla Capital at 9:40. AB Capital. At 15 minutes interval is the minimum interval for my scanner. So that based on the scanner which I am sending you the alert. So 15 minutes time frame we are going to use for our scanner. So this should be the 9:30 candle. So when we got a alert at 9:45, this may be the 9:45 candle. So what we say at this point of the time, can you able to see here what we say this point of the time? There is a all the time frame of RSI is above 60. Here this point, this particular candle 9:45 to 10 o'clock. So the alert, and again many doubts, the alert when you get it in the scanner, get it in the Telegram, it is timing is 9:45, right? So what the time it is the starting point of the candle or starting time of the candle. So here this is a 9:15 candle. So 9:15 candle started by 9:15 and ending with a 9:45. Next candle would started by 9:30 to 9:45. So next candle would be 9:45 to 10 o'clock. So when you get any alert at 9:45, you should wait for the next 15 minutes or you should wait for the candle to close. Is that right? You have to wait for the candle to close. Once the candle is closed, that candle you can take as a reference candle. So based on that high and low, you can try to trade with that. So what is the high for the candle is 35.6, and what is the low for the candle is 135.6, and high for the candle is 136.3. So what is the risk for the trade here? What is the risk for the trade here? Just about somewhere around 40 plus 30, 70 paisa is the risk. So if you are ready to trade fast as a fast trader, you can place in futures or you can place in equity, right? So once the low is broken, I'm going to take a sell trade. Once the high is broken, I'm going to take a buy trade. So that is my concept once the candle is closed. What happened here? First time it broke the low 35.6 and it coming down towards 35. The maximum low is 35. So what the risk we have taken is somewhere around 60 paisa, 70 paisa. This trade gives you more than 55 paisa. So if you are using 1:1 risk reward ratio also, this is not a target trade. So not trigger your target. So 60 paisa, it generate you 55 paisa and then reversed back. And again market breaks above your higher level. So there is a possibilities of trend can continue. There is a possibility of the trend can continue. So from here somewhere around 136.3, that is the highest level. That this time it never trigger you the 70 paisa stop loss. The first trade you have taken, the key level for the trade is 136.3 and 135.7. So this is the key level. First time it break down and generative 0.55. Your stop loss for the trade is 0.7. So it initially triggers your stop loss. What it may be, the trend may be continues on the stock. This time it continues the trend. So if I am buying again another 70 paisa risk, this time it gives you more than from 136 to 139 somewhere. So more than 3 rupees it generate you, but it never trigger your 70 paisa stop loss. But end of the day it may triggered, but meanwhile it generate you more than what you have expected. This way, whether you can try with the future if you are taking an option, put option here, but while if you are trying to trade in option stock, so that stock must be a liquid stock and it must be having good volume in options. Some stocks may not having good volume. But if you are going to take a trade, the bid ask spread gap between that option strike prices having big means, so you simply ignore the stock. Why you are going to take a trade on that particular? So not necessary to trade. So if in the scanner, if you send if we get a alert, if the stock is liquid, good liquid with option, you can trade with options, or you can simply trade with the equity or a future as per your convenience if the risk and risk factor is suitable to you. If the risk factor is suitable, you can play with that, or else you leave it. So there is a two chances. But even if I made a loss and I covered a profit, what does it mean by the intraday trade? So I can do my trade within in a particular day time frame. So I need to manage my loss and profit, and finally I'm going to ending with a profit. That is called the intraday. Na? You are going to set a trade by a specific time frame. In the particular time frame, you are going to finish your trades. So that will help you to make such an intraday trade opportunity where it is forms. So we will send you the alert. Hope you got it. What we are discussing here. And the second one, you got it at 11:15. SCL Tech is the stock at 11:15. So if you get an alert at 11:15, what you are going to take a trade? You need to wait up to 11:30. So that 11:30 closes. So you are going to take a trade. So let me see HCL Tech what happened. This is HCL Tech today, 11th Jan. So we got the signal by 11. What is the time frame? HCL Tech, which is happening by 11:15. This candle. So this is the candle. 1333, 1329. So people asking intraday trade, very minimum risk of just 4 rupees. Even if you are doing with the options, whether you are going to trade with the ATM options or OTM option or ITM option, it depending on your capital and your risk ability. But the default risk for the trade is just 4 rupees. The next candle itself, it triggers you, and it went up to maximum of 1000, closed by 1346. What is the risk involved in the trade? 4 rupees. 1333 should be the entry point, and the stop loss is 1329. 4 rupees is your risk, and it generates you 46, means you will be getting 15 rupees as a profit. So more than your risk what you are taken. So if this stock is trading with a good volume, you can focus for an option. Intraday option trading, you can try with that. What exactly at 1140. So if you are focusing that 4 rupees risk, so I will directly open an option chart of SCL check. That entry price is 1329. So let me go for a 1320 call option. So let me try to see that option price, how it is reacts as per that movement. One 1320 call option. This is a stock where we are going to focus the strike price at 11:15. There is the exact time frame. It is I is 49.3 and 47.5. 2 rupees risk on this option. If you are ready to place the orders at 49.3, so it is closed by 54. 4 rupees is generative. Meanwhile, it made I of 56. 8 rupees. Just taking a 2 rupees. So why the scanner is may not be useful? This was a useful scanner, right? We are finding out the right time. Okay, and let's see 1 o'clock. How many stocks? 1 o'clock we got a lot of stocks. 4 stocks at the time. AU Bank, Astral, Tata Chemical and Tata Communication. You want to see the Tata Chemical, that is also be there here based on the scanner. AU Bank at 1 p.m. So we should wait for a 1 to 115 candle. 1 to 115 candle. Maybe this. Once it is broken that high, it's keep on going higher. So what is the risk for the trade is 1290, 1282, 8 rupees risk, and it closed by 1308. That is working well. AU Bank. Then the next one is Astral. Right. Astral. Yesterday I did with Astral very good profit. I bought a call option that I booked a profit. So 1 o'clock candle, this was. Here I am talking about something interesting. So the last stock which we have taken, AU Bank. So there the condition is same. Daily, weekly, hourly, 15 minutes. All the time frame RSI is above 60. But this stock continues the trend. Okay, it goes up, went up. So it continues the trend. Here the same stock also all the conditions made same. Daily, weekly, RSI 60. But here it reversed. Here is a reversal. Hope you understand what I'm discussing here. So once that broken, so this will fallen down. What the risk? So same pattern, we have a call option breakout scanner, 2 stocks we got it. One is going up, another one is going down. What is the logic? One stock is going up, AU Bank is going up, but instead of Astral it is going down. What was the logic? That the logic which I have shared in the earlier of this video. That is mean that may be a overbought or may be a continuation. But we are giving the conditions only above 60. That is the first time or a second time or a third time, we don't know. That is why the same signal we can use for a selling as well as buying. So we simply use the breakout about this particular candle. So when you are going to take a trade 2481 with a 2500 as a stop loss, once it is broken 2481, it fallen down to 2445. If you are taking 2500 put option of the same 2500 put option, if you are taking this stock, it is not traded well. That's why I told you, if you want to take, you can take for a good liquid stock. Can you see that the stock is not traded well? But suddenly at a 130, 145 from closing of 70, it suddenly traded 92. If you are really trading the same, you may not get opportunity. So illiquid. the option is not a liquid one. Instead of that, where we are getting the opportunity 2482, the option is not traded. Even on the round number of strike price also not traded with a good volume. So simply ignore the stock while doing option trade. And the third stock which we have got it, third one we got a Tata Chemical. Same time frame, 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock to 1:15. Tata Communication and Tata Chemical. So let's we try with the Tata Chemical. Tata Chemical at 1 o'clock, what exactly it is? This is the 1 o'clock time frame. Initially it sells and stop loss. Then what is the risk for the trade? 72 to 76, 4 rupees. It may be given a sell entry and triggers your stop loss. Next time it may be went up to 81. So from 76, 5 rupees given you. So if you are making 1:1 risk reward ratio, initially it triggers your stop loss and then it triggers your target. And Tata Communication, the second one. So 1 o'clock this, here it is giving you such a good opportunity in downside. 1500, just a 3 rupees risk here. 1560 is the highest level and 1497 is the lowest level. Once it is broken, it fallen down towards 30 points from almost 97 to 470, almost 27-30 points. If you are taking 1500 put option of Tata Communication, 1500 put option, if it is having good volume, yeah, can you see it is traded with the good volume at 1 o'clock. This is the candle, it is at 62. The low for the candle is 55. If you are taking a trade, you are going to take a risk of somewhere around 5, 4, 6, 7 rupees. Once it is broken, the 62 entry, it went up to 71, almost 8 rupees, 9 rupees. So this alert will help you. So you need to be do this work, this kind of workout. And then 115, we got Adani Enterprise. 115 Adani Enterprise. Oh my god. This one. At 115 we got Adani Enterprise. 1775, 1764. Somewhere around 11 rupees risk for the trade. But unfortunately it went up to 1850. Somewhere around 75 points profit from here. If you are taking that particular time 1770 or 64, 1760 call. If it is breaks the high, you are going to focus the call option. $1760 call option at 1 o'clock, 115. This is the 115 candle. I is 80 rupees, 72, 8 rupees risk. Then it went up to 129. So we don't know which stock is going to perform, right? So while we know what are the things we know, this one is performing very well today. From this is the 1 o'clock, 115, 81 high, 72 is the low. So if you are taking a trade, 8 rupees is the risk, and then it went up to 129. So what is the main importance? So if you don't know the trend or reversal, so when before making a trade, we know entry, we know stop loss, we don't know the target, even we cannot fix the target also, because if the market moves bullish, so you keep on going up. If market goes bearish, it's keep on going down. So at what point of the time you are taking an entry, that is depend on you. So based on the pattern you are taken, based on this method I am taken entry, you know the stop loss, you know the entry point, how you can fix the target, trial your stop loss to make huge profit. Okay, or you will fix your target 1:1 or 1:2. It's depending on you. So each and everyone can take a same kind of risk? No. Someone who take a less risk and they can wait for a big profit. Someone who take a big risk and they cannot wait for a small profit also. They will exit very quickly. Each and every trade they make money of 1,000 rupees, but in a single trade they lose 20,000, 30,000. So then what is the use? Someone who are taking a minimum risk and minimum reward, someone who taking a minimum risk and maximum reward. So it depends on you, but using this scanner, whether you can do either equity or a future or an option, it's based on you. So now I tell you how to use that. So then I provide you that real time also. Then what is the use? So someone was asking, sir, some signal which is come around 3:15, sir. I got a signal at 3:15 p.m. How I can do the trade, sir? What kind of question this is? I shouldn't understand. See, if you are making an intraday trade, if the signal is generated in the morning, for example, if you get a signal at 10 o'clock, you have the time to wait till 3:15 or 3:30. So you have some time frame is there to make either profit or loss. Right. But if the signal which came around 3 o'clock or 3:15, even if you are taking the position, how many days how many hours you can wait? Here I tell you clearly, this is the signal which is automated. Whenever the scanner will provide, when the stock is scanned by the scanner, it is automatically sending alert to the Telegram channel. I'm not sitting and typing all the things. It is automated. It will be coming through automated basis. Right. You are asking you, sir, I want this one and that one. Right. But I am not able to provide all the scanners because it is a paid one. I need to pay for that. How I can pay for that, and how I can give it for a free. Even tracking and following is the main importance while if you are doing in a market. That is what very important thing. Even we know some methods, but while there is a entry opportunity, if you are not seeing that stock, what will there? So that you should understand. So the alert which is sending, so how you can make use of it. It is a which I am providing you the alert, and I have shared you what the scanner I am using, what the condition I am using, and how to use. I told you now. Then you use as per your wish, right? But don't trade with us without any stop loss. Just keep the strict stop loss, even at 20 paisa, 30 paisa also, no worry. You can try. Today, how many of them watched or not, I don't know. But there is a stock which is called Idea also. I came in the scanner, which I used. But when I see that stock was trading 13 rupees, 13 rupees put option, which is trading 1.1. And end of the day, it comes to 1.7. So 70K is a lot size. Can you see the chart? That is a liquid stock. So Idea 13 put option. Today it went down. 13 put option. One point time I see 1.1. So can you see there is a time 1.1. It is trading 1 rupee 1 paisa, and it went up to 1.95 also. I seen maximum of 1.7. The lot size of this stock is 70,000. So and also we are discussing about lot more about the candlesticks pattern. That 3 candle also I'm teaching you now. So this is the 3 candlestick reversal pattern. So this point we got a buy, and this is what a stop loss. So how many point as the stop loss for the trade is just 25 paisa. That 25 paisa is not a small amount for this stock, because the stock having somewhere around 70,000 lot size. 17,500 is the risk for the trade. I don't want to take such a kind of risk, so I leave it. But even it was working better and good. So this is the pattern. So how I am going to use, and even after that we got a lot of stocks. Trend also be there in 3 o'clock. So should I go for a trade in trend? 3 o'clock it is giving you. Even 3 o'clock the scanner will alert you. So 3:15 it will close the candle, and we are going to place the order after 3:15. So we are going to wait for only 15 minutes. There is no use of that doing that one. So last one is 145. The NBCC. Let's see. This having some time to wait for our position to make profit or loss. This NBCC which is coming under 145. The time where you get it 145. So let me try it 145. This one is a 145 candle, and also the stock is very less volume with a 50 rupees, but even it has broken that level of 52.2 and it went up to 52.4, and again it triggers your stop loss. If you are making the stop loss, it is a 50 paisa. The next time it triggers you sell 51.75 coming down to 51.4 and closing by the cost. Maybe the buy trade fails and sell trade ending with the cost. So this trade will give you failure. But this time if I'm going to take after a 2 o'clock or 2:30, if I'm taking intraday position, if I'm trying to trade with that, should I make money? Because I don't have enough time to wait for the position or enough time to give me the result for the position. Okay, so you are asking about and this is another question. Exit at closes 9 period EMA. That seems to work for me. Your idea, please. So that why what I'm saying you, that I am giving you the I get some scanners. I learned from some other places, and I learned how to create a scanners. Lot of things which I struggle. Initially, I don't know, right, how to make a scanner. I've seen a lot of videos, and I ask someone to get clear my doubts. I'm waiting for 1 or 2 days to get a clear on a single doubt. Someone is not ready to helping me to teach, but they know. But I learned from myself a lot of lot of difficult. Now I'm doing, that's why I'm providing all my scanners with a free of cost. So now Mr. Arvind said about you can add closes of EMA. Someone has saying me idea. So this is my scanner. Let me tell you the RSI scan, that call option breakout scanner is daily, weekly, hourly, 15 minutes, 60 above. RSI above 60. Right. So this is my scanner. One feedback, add EMA. Second feedback, add what we say RSI, sorry, ADX. Someone says some other indicator. If I'm modifying this each and everyone's concept, finally I don't have any perfect method. But as of now, this is working for me. So what we have seen, almost 5, 10, 5, 7 stocks we have seen here right now. Only 2 or 3 may get triggers your stop loss. Most of them are working profit. So this method default, it is having the accuracy of 70%. Then if you want to add any more, so you can copy the scan and you can use it. I don't worry about that. So someone asking about EMA, so you can add EMA. Someone asking about ADX, you can add ADX. I have already provided the scanner with free of cost. Then you are asking me to change it. So I did lot of back test. Then only I decided this may be a good system. Is that right? This may be a good system for me. That I done. Then again you say force me to do this, that. If you want, you can do it from your own, because I have provided the scan. So you don't need to be workout for the doing the scan. You don't need to create a scan. See, this is also be applicable on Nifty and Bank Nifty too. But you need to be focused whether it is happening. But the Nifty and Bank Nifty is only one counter. In the future and options, we have a 200 counter. From there, we will be getting some 5 to 10 stocks per day. But Nifty and Bank Nifty, some days it is a very range bound. Some days it may be a highly volatile. Some days it may be a zigzag movement. So it is only, so you're depending on the only one stock. I'm depending on 200 stock. From there, I'm selecting. So that is my using for a. I'm not using any scanner for my today's Tata Chemical option trade. I didn't use any scanner for that. Even I didn't see chart for that. It is purely on my option strategy. I did based on my option strategy on Tata Chemical. Nothing else I used. I didn't see for the chart also. Tata Chemical, I not traded today. I am not traded today for a Tata Chemical. I took yesterday at 52. And today I sold at 72 and went up to 89. I don't worry, because I got that much of profit is good enough for me. Then I exited out. It is based on it is not based on any scanner and screener. I'm using this for my based on my strategy. Okay. What I am mentioning on my Telegram channel as a positional profit, I didn't use any charts for that. I used only my option strategy for that. Even whatever the profit which I showed there, I used only for my option strategy, not for any scanners. But I used today I booked one some other trades. So one of my friend is Mr. Vinod Malik from Delhi. Is more than 70 years old, but he was doing trading. I know more than 5 years. He asked me to create a scanner for him on Bollinger Band Breakout. Okay, I given him a scanner yesterday. I did a scanner for him yesterday, and based on the scanner, today I did a trade in stock, which is the stock is in Indalco. This Indalco, which I did for a based on Bollinger Band scanner. This scanner also I have already updated on my Telegram channel. Then don't ask me, sir, kindly provide the scanner. This already updated on my Telegram channel. So we'll show you that in Indalco. Only 3 stock which is filtered by this one. 3 stock. One that was 915, that is what Avels. That I didn't get any entry. And the second one is Voltas, which are Indalco. That I got entry. And third one is Bajaj Auto. There also I don't get any entry. So this is what a Bollinger Band scanner. So let I show you that Indalco, how it is. Bollinger Band narrow range breakout, that I have already made a scanner. That's right. So let I add the Bollinger Band. Don't ask for the scanner which I have already shared. So can you able to see that Bollinger Band? So previously the band is higher. Gap between the previous band is very higher and keep on higher, and it's narrowing on the particular time. So this point of the time I get the entry opportunity, this point. So once it is broken the low, I'm going to take a trade opportunity. I took a put option and it finally falls from 491, it coming down towards 486 and closed by 486. So this is an intraday scanner. If you want to take, you can take it from your side and you can modify it whatever you want. This one, Bollinger Band narrow, and previously here also be there. So once it is broken that high from 483, it went up to huge, somewhere around 494. So the scanners and screeners will help you to find out the pattern or conditions which is mids on a live market. So that helping us. If you want to checking in a every time frame, if you want every 1 minute or 2 minutes, if you are trying means, so you may not get. But the scanner will help me. So I learned more to even I'm learning something. I'm searching for a lot of customized scanner also. I'm trying now. So even I've made a scanners, I will first backtest and then I will provide you. So if it may be useful, I think even one people get the benefit of my scanners, I am very happy. That I'm thinking. So now I cleared about this pattern trades, how we can do call option, even a put option also. I don't worry. That means the RSI is below 30. So I get some few days back one put option scanner. I think some stock that is, I'll show you. Put option, I think asked some stock I find out in the early morning. I got it. Call option, put option breakout scanner. Not only call, I added a put also. Let me show you here. Can you see there is a put option scanner for IPCA lab at 10 a.m. on the day is 10th January. It is a put option scanner. So let me say the time frame of that particular scanner is 10 a.m. 10th of Jan. Tenth of Jan, 10 a.m. IPCA lab. This one for a put option scanner at 10 a.m. Can you see exactly at this point? This is a 10 a.m. 10 a.m. to 10:15. So the high for the day is, so let me hide this. The high for that is 1076 and the low is 6 rupees is the stop loss. Initially it triggers you buy entry and immediately it triggers you sell entry. So the sell which gives you the profit up to 1026. From 7 rupees risk, first time it hit the stop loss. but the second time it generate you from 1070 to 1026, more than 50 points. First time you lose money, and the second time is giving you 50 points profit. So this put option scanner and call option scanner which is available here. So now market is going up and up. So you got a most of the scanners which is based on the call side. But even if you get the signal by call side, you may be having the chance to try to trade with either side, both call side or a put side, according to the trend of the market. Once it is broken, so you can try to trade with that. So that's about thing which I am going to explain you. I hope I explained all the things, how to use this scanner and what the condition which I used for this scanner. So you may be using the scanner as per your own. If you want to modify, you can modify yourself. You can copy the scan and you can modify whatever the thing you can use. I hope I am clearing your doubt. If you have any questions, you can ask. Now I am going to give you another 10 minutes to discuss about your questions. Now clear, I hope you all clear about how to use this method. If you have any questions or a doubt to ask with me, so you can message here and I'm going to tell you the answers for your question. When someone says moving average or ADX, you can use any. So as per your convenience only you are going to do the trade, not for my convenience. Thank you, sir. If you have any questions, you can ask your questions, or we will wind up this thing. I hope I am doing my job right, because what I'm option strategy detail is nothing, sir. I'm daily updating on my Telegram channel. So what I am doing, so on my option course, it is about 5 day session. So alternative day basis, one day and the next day is the alternative session. Okay. So here what you are going to learn, 4 edge strategy, edged strategy for option, right, and 1 naked strategy. Total 5 strategy, total 5 days, 1 to 1 hour, 130 hours duration, and you need to do the workout. You need to do the workout about how to see, for example, something I'm teaching you right now. If you are ready to do the workout, you may be getting doubts, and the next session we will clear your doubts, then move forward our next one. So if you have any doubts, having doubts without asking that, then there is no use, right? So whenever 5 day session, each session should be 1 hour to 1.5 hours. 4 edging strategies you are going to learn, right, on 1 naked strategy. All the strategy which is using for positional purpose. All the strategy positional, not for intraday. It is not for purely not for intraday. It is a positional strategy. Some days we may be getting profit on intraday, we may be booking out. So yesterday I bought something 77 rupees Astral. 77 rupees I bought it, and 93 rupees, 94 rupees it went up on the same day. I booked a good profit on that in intraday basis. It says not an intraday strategy. I took this session, I took this one for my positional trade, but I got a profit in intraday, more than 20% of my investment. So it is good for me. So that's why I exited. Right? How are you, sir? Kapilesh, look, after a long time back, you are contacting me by YouTube. How are you? So strategy 1, strategy 2, strategy 3, strategy 4, then strategy 5. It is all 4 should be directional as well as non-directional. Both the strategy available here. So we can use directional basis as well as non-directional basis, and this all are edged. This one should be naked. Buying a call or buying a put, like that. This is buying a call, buying a put. So you are asking you margin is high, but right now if you are doing a hedging as per exchange rules, we have margin benefit. Got it? So let I show you. If you want to sell an option, you need more margin. If you want to sell an option, you need more margin. Correct? If I want to sell option, any stock, any index, whatever, if I want to sell options, I need more margin. Kapilesh sir, you are not learning something. You are not learning fully. Just wait. Don't message like that. You didn't complete my course. We have long back gap. So you are talking about option selling should have a high margin, right? So let me go for a zero the margin calculator. Zero the margin calculator. So if I'm opening for a margin calculator, okay. So if I'm going to sell any stocks or any option. So for example, this is Aarti Industries 850. If I want to take option, what is the Aarti Industries current market price? It is about 1100. So if I'm going to sell a 1100 call, 850 lot size, I'm going to sell. The margin required to do the trade is 2 lakh rupees. Right. So after sometimes later, if I am going to buy another call option of 1200, let us buy. If I buy a call option, my margin is 1 lakh rupees. I get a margin benefit of 99,000. So I can do the selling by using this hedging. So we'll reduce my margin. 1 lakh is good enough to make my trade. But if you are doing naked, you will be getting required huge margin. But using hedging strategy, you can reduce your margin. Which is scanner? It's a free scanner. I already sending what are the stocks which is filtered by the scanner, and the real time I will sending you on my Telegram channel. Then why you need to scanner? That scanner already I have updated on the Telegram channel. So let me go for that here. You can search call option, intraday call option, breakout scanner by talent trades. So here the scanner is available. I was updated by 31st December. Right? Same like that of what of the scanners you want. I have already updated my stock above Bollinger Band. So you can search it out from here. You will be getting what the scanner. RSA daily, RSA buy daily, sell daily. That scanner previously I am sending alert on my Telegram. Here I have updated that RSA daily scanner, RSA buy daily scanner. So you are asking me, sir, why you are stopped to update in my Telegram channel? So this is the thing which I have already updated. So here in my Telegram channel, I posted it that the link will be available on the channel itself. You can go and check and get it, and you can copy and modify it as per you want. I hope you get your answer for your question. How to get the scanner? Here it is updated free of cost. Here free intraday bearish scanner. So lot thing intraday bullish stock, outside bearish, doji weekly. Some link I provided there. Yeah, this link. This link you will be getting all my scanner. If you are copy this link, and if you are pasting on your web browser, you open it, it will show you what are the scanners which have single candle reversal pattern scanners here, and double candle reversals. All the things will be available in the single link. So you can make use of it. I will update you other scanners on the link after some time later. So there I provide you, even if you are taking a time to search, I just given a link. So if you click that link, within a minute you are going to access all my scanner. So if you want to copy that scanner, you can copy and you can make whatever you want. You can modify as per your own. But if you want to do modification, you need to know something how to do it and other things, right? that's about my this video. Is there any other questions to answer? Is there any questions to answer? I hope this may be a useful session, and I hope I cleared your all the doubts. Maybe tomorrow onwards you maybe make better profit using that scanner. So positional trade, it's a strategy which I'm telling you with the stop loss and target, how to make a stop loss, how to make a target. That will teach you on that. If you are taking intraday trade, so whatever the candlestick which you get it, so at 9:15, if for example at 10 a.m. you are getting a alert, so you need to wait for a 10 to 10:15. So once the 10 to 10:15 candle closed, buy or sell. If you get a sell first, high should be stop loss. If you get a buy first, low should be stop loss. Again, if you get it also, that should be the stop loss and target for the high and low of the candle. Entry as well as stop loss for the trade, the high and low of the candle. If you want to know more about more details about my that class, that option strategies, I will share you my mobile number here. You can WhatsApp on the number or Telegram. So I share my WhatsApp and Telegram. So here using this number, you can join with me. I don't have a Paytm, sir. Sorry. First, if anyone interested to join, don't make any payment. Okay, first you discuss with me whether I'll tell you the full detail. If you okay, you can join. Strike price, nearby strike price, or the stop loss should be the strike price. So the great question is it is. So for example, this is the stock which this is the particular candle you are going to take a trade. So the I may be 100, low may be 95. If it is high breaks, so 100 should be the entry. 100 should be the entry. If it is breaks 100, you got a buy signal. So whether you can go for 100 call or 95 call, you can take it anyone. And same like that, if it is breaks below the low, 100 put or 95 put. So don't go for a so far away 110 call, because it is so far OTM. Even the stock moves 3-4 rupees, this will not react. The big movement happen, the OTM option will move. But if it's a less movement, so the ATM and ITM options giving you such a kind of profit while you are selecting. So my suggestion is going to take a trade a ATM option or ITM option. Don't go for a OTM. Selection is based on the price, what the price it is. I hope I cleared. Can I wind up the session now? I hope maybe you are using that scanners alert by Telegram channel which is sent by me. By tomorrow, hope you may be getting some good profit. So follow with the rules and what we have said. So stop loss and target should be very important. So you can follow with that. So maybe getting some good idea to make intraday trade, because I do positional trade. Most of them are asking about, sir, intraday course, please tell me intraday tips, or please tell me intraday idea. So that is why I created that, and I'm not going to charge for that. I just given you free of cost. That's it. But I'm not interested to do intraday trade. I do my positional trade with a good manner. So that is giving me such a good profit. And what I did on my positional technique, so which I done. So last 4 months, I using a capital of 5 lakhs, that is doubled. Thank you so much. Lot more question is there. If you want get more questions and other things, you can contact me personally, which I provided my number here. Okay. You will be getting idea. Even if you are interested, you are welcome to join with me, no problem. So this may be the good session to you all, I believe, and thanks for that. So again, if you are want to join with me my WhatsApp, are you trying to connect me on my WhatsApp? I will share you my WhatsApp number. That is my WhatsApp number, and I have my WhatsApp link also. I will share you my WhatsApp link, and Telegram link. I will share you my Telegram link also. No problem. Just a second. I will share you my Telegram link. This is my Telegram link where you can contact me. This video will be available on my YouTube. Okay, no problem. I'm not going to delete anything. This is my Telegram link, and if you are not yet joined my Telegram channel, so I'm going to provide my the Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel. We are going to access the alerts, and if you want to my WhatsApp link, just will wait. I will share my WhatsApp link. I'm searching for that. Number which I provided is my WhatsApp number. So someone asking you kindly share the link as a link. I'm searching for that. Sorry, yeah. Here is my WhatsApp link. Thanks for your time, and thanks for being with me on this live session, and thank you so much for your good time. So without a scanner, how you get the stocks? That is the strategy, sir. There you are going to learn that thing. Without a scanner, how we can get the stock? That is the thing you are going to learn on the session. I hope I've given what I'm trying to take, that I have already uh, fulfilled on the session. Thanks for being with me. If you want more questions or a doubt, I have given me my links, so you can contact me through the link. And I'm going to end up this session now. And thanks for being with me, and thank you very much. And thanks for giving me such a great support. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends if you liked it. And if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe it. Thank you so much.